Hello, everyone. I hope you are having a wonderful day. Today, we are going to talk about your attitude. Your attitude is your choice. Every day, you choose how to think. You choose how to feel. You choose how to react to things. This is very powerful. Your attitude is who you are. It shapes your life every day. Let us find out why. 1. What is attitude? Attitude is the way you think and feel about things. It is the way you see the world around you. It is the way you react when something happens. Here is a simple example. Imagine it is raining outside. You planned to go to the park, but now you cannot go. One person says, "This is terrible. My whole day is ruined." Another person says, "That is okay. I will read a book at home today." Same situation, but two very different attitudes. A person with a positive attitude thinks good thoughts. They look for the good things in life. When something goes wrong, they look for a solution. They believe things will get better. They keep trying, even when it is hard. A person with a negative attitude thinks bad thoughts. They focus on problems. When something goes wrong, they give up easily. They believe nothing ever works for them. They stop trying. Which person sounds happier? Which person sounds more successful? Of course, the person with the positive attitude. And here is the good news. You can choose your attitude. You can train yourself to think more positively. It takes practice, but it is absolutely worth it. 2. Your attitude affects everything. Your attitude is very powerful. It affects every part of your life. It affects your friendships. People love being around positive people. A person with a good attitude makes others feel happy. People enjoy spending time with them. It affects your work. People with a positive attitude work hard. They do not give up when a task is difficult. They keep going. They get better and better every day. It affects your health. Studies show that positive people are healthier. They feel less stress. They sleep better. They get sick less often. A good attitude is truly good for your body. It affects your dreams. People with a positive attitude believe in themselves. They set goals. They work toward those goals every day. They do not stop when things are hard. They try again and again until they succeed. Your attitude touches everything. It touches your friends, your work, your body, and your future. That is how powerful it is. 3. Your attitude and English learning. Let us talk about something you know very well, learning English. Learning English is not always easy. Some days it feels hard. Some days you feel confused. Some days you want to stop. But think about these two people. One person says, "English is challenging, but I can do it. I am getting better every day." Another person says, "English is too hard. I will never learn it." Who do you think learns English faster? Who enjoys the journey more? Your attitude toward English makes a very big difference. If you believe you can learn, you will learn. If you believe you cannot, you will stop trying. So believe in yourself. You are already doing something amazing right now. Every word you learn is a small victory. Every sentence you understand is progress. Celebrate that. 4. How to build a positive attitude. Now you know that attitude is important, but how do you build a positive attitude? Here are some simple steps. Step 1. Watch your words. The words you say to yourself are very powerful. Do not say, "I cannot do this." Say instead, "I will try my best. I am learning. I am improving." Small changes in your words make a big difference in how you feel. Step 2. Focus on what you have. It is easy to think about what you do not have, but try to think about what you do have. You have a brain that can learn. You have people who care about you. You have chances to grow every day. Be grateful for these things. Gratitude makes you feel better every day. Step 3. Spend time with positive people. The people around you affect your attitude. Spend time with people who encourage you. Spend time with people who make you laugh. Spend time with people who believe in you. Their positive energy will help you stay positive too. Step 4. Keep going when things are hard. Hard times will come. That is a part of life. But hard times do not last forever. When you feel like giving up, remember why you started. Remember your goals. Remember how far you have already come. Take one small step forward, then another. You can do it. Step 5. Celebrate small wins. You don't have to wait until you reach a big goal. Celebrate every small step. Did you learn a new English word today? That is wonderful. Did you finish a difficult lesson? Amazing. Small wins build your confidence, and confidence builds a positive attitude. 5. Edison and his attitude. Here is a good example. Thomas Edison was an inventor. He tried to make the light bulb. He failed more than 1,000 times. But he said, "I have not failed. I have just found 1,000 ways that do not work." His attitude kept him going, and finally he succeeded. His light bulb changed the world. Attitude and kindness. A positive attitude is not just about being happy. It is also about being kind. When you have a good attitude, you are kind to others. You smile at people. You say thank you. You help when someone needs help. You listen when someone is sad. You make people feel seen and valued. Kindness is a big part of a good attitude, and kindness changes the world, one small act at a time. Have you ever had a bad day, and then someone smiled at you, or said something kind? It made everything feel a little better, right? That is the power of a kind attitude. You have that power too. Every day, you can choose to be kind. Every day, you can make someone's life a little brighter. That is a truly beautiful thing. Do not underestimate your smile. Do not underestimate your kind words. They are more powerful than you think. Conclusion. Today, we learned many important things. We learned that a positive attitude helps you in friendships, in work, in health, and in your dreams. We learned that your attitude affects how you learn English. We learned 5 simple steps to build a positive attitude. And we learned that kindness is a beautiful part of a good attitude. But most importantly, we learned this: your attitude is who you are, and you have the power to choose it every day. No one can choose your attitude for you. It is yours. Thank you so much for listening all the way to the end. That tells me something good about you. It tells me you already have a wonderful attitude. You are becoming a better version of yourself. Keep going. I believe in you. See you next time. If this lesson touched your heart, subscribe and join us. A new inspiring lesson is waiting for you.